Hey, what's up, Alan and Kirsten? This is the video for this XP Deus metal detector hard transportation case. I got a little head-to-head action here between you two. We are live. 726. 726. 2 entries. Alan, Kirsten. 2 dice. 5 or higher. Getting there. We got 8 times at 726. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, you got Kirsten on the top. We must go 8. Good luck wish at 726. 726. Last and final roll. Top spot gets it. Congratulations goes to spot 1, Alan. Congratulations, Alan. Send me a PM with your shipping information, and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 727. 727. Congratulations again, Alan. Sorry, Kirsten. Thanks for playing. Take care.